Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about a very common liver disease known as hepatitis C disease caused by hepatitis C virus. So what is hepatitis C? Hepatitis C is a liver infection caused by a virus called as hepatitis C virus. If we talk about the discovery of hepatitis C virus, first time Dr. Stephen Feinstein and his colleagues in 1975 demonstrated that most cases of the liver infections linked to blood transfusion were not associated with hepatitis A or hepatitis B viral infections, and that's why at that time HCV was called as non-A, non-B hepatitis. Finally, in 1989, Dr. Harvey and his colleagues identified hepatitis C virus after isolation of a viral RNA from chimpanzee which was injected with the blood from a person with non-A and non-B hepatitis viral infection. Nobel Prize 2020. The 2020 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Dr. Harvey, Michael Houghton and Charles Rice for the discovery of hepatitis C virus. Characteristics of hepatitis C virus. Hepatitis C virus belongs to the family of Flaviviridae. The genome consists of single-stranded RNA molecule. Virion size is 30 to 60 nanometer in diameter. Incubation period 5 to 12 weeks with enveloped and spherical capsid. Mode of transmission. HCV is a blood-borne virus and transmitted through parenteral route. The most common way of hepatitis C virus transmission is through unsterilized medical equipment, especially through contaminated needle and syringes, injecting drugs, blood transfusion, dialysis, needle injury, and non-sterile body piercing instrument. HCV is less commonly transmitted through mother to baby and through sexual contact. Moreover, hepatitis C virus is not spread through breast milk, food, water, or casual contact such as hugging, sharing food, or drinks with an infected person. Symptoms of hepatitis C viral infection. Approximately 80% of hepatitis C virus cases are asymptomatic. However, the symptomatic cases may exhibit fever, fatigue, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, dark urine, jaundice, and cirrhosis after 20 to 30 years of infection. Genetic heterogeneity. Hepatitis C virus is a highly heterogeneous, and in hepatitis C virus patients, this heterogeneity is referred as quasi-species population. There are several causes of the heterogeneity of hepatitis C virus. It may be due to the different mechanism of genetic variation, and the presence of reverse transcriptase enzyme is one of the causes of heterogeneity, which lacks the normal mechanism of genetic proofreading. The spontaneous nucleotide substitution rate of hepatitis C virus is very high. A total of 6 HCV genotypes and more than 80 subtypes have been recognized. Laboratory diagnosis. Hepatitis C virus can be confirmed through detection of hepatitis C virus antibodies through enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, and the HCV RNA can be detected by using RT-PCR. Treatment of hepatitis C virus infections. Currently, WHO recommends the pan-genotypic direct-acting antivirals. This treatment therapy duration is short, usually 12 to 24 weeks, depending on the absence or presence of cirrhosis. Prevention and control of hepatitis C virus. No specific vaccine available against hepatitis C virus. The best way to control and prevent hepatitis C virus is awareness about mode of transmission of hepatitis C virus, safe practice of injecting drugs, training of the health personnel, screening of blood before transfusion. Why still vaccine against hepatitis C virus has not been developed? This is very critical, that why the scientists yet have not become successful to develop the effective vaccine against hepatitis C virus. The main reason of no vaccine for hepatitis C virus is because this virus is highly heterogeneous with 6 to 7 genotypes and about 80 subtypes. This is the main reason that no vaccine against the hepatitis C virus.